In this lecture, we will talk about what is an experiment, outcome, event, and sample space. So, coming to the first definition on experiment, an experiment is a procedure we perform that produces some result. With this we can take an example. First is tossing of an unbiased coin, where on the left hand side I have mentioned about what is the possible number of outcomes if we toss the coin 3 times. And for the second example, we have considered a rolling of a die, and we are very much familiar that our die is having 6 faces, all indexed from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is the experiment. So coming to the second definition on what's an outcome. An outcome is a possible result of an experiment. Without any loss of generality, we can denote any outcome of a random experiment by the notation xi. So this xi is used to represent outcomes of any random experiment. For example, in the last few seconds, we consider an experiment of coin toss. A coin is tossed for 3 times. So in that case, we can write the possible outcomes in this format: head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, tail, and so on. It will have 8 possible outcomes. Similarly, for rolling of a die, we can denote its outcome as xi2, as it can be either 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 6, considering it is rolled once. What if a die is rolled twice? What's the outcome? So in this case, we can denote the outcomes of a die rolled twice like this. One, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, where the first instant we have kept constant and varied the second one. By doing this, we got 6 outcomes. Then we fix the outcome at first instant as 2, and similarly vary as previous: 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Across this row also, where we have fixed at the first instant the outcome to be 2, we have another 6 outcomes. Similarly, if we go on and perform, and when the last set of outcomes where we have 6 as the first instant and we varied the second one, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Here also we have 6. So at the first instant there are 6 possible terms. We have varied, keeping it, at the first instant we have kept it constant and varied the second instances. So like this we will have how many? 6 cross 6 is equals to total 36 possible outcomes. 36 possible outcomes for the random experiment of rolling a die twice.